Take a ride in the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, tires front all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.